Good afternoon. Skills for the next generation entrepreneurs. Well, I would say, first of all, you have to know your languages. When you know a few languages, you can go abroad and you understand the local people. Secondly, flexibility. And I mean with flexibility, the acceptation of other culture and the other way of doing business. You have to know behind the curtain how they are thinking and how they are feeling the business. Thirdly, network. Rely on people you can trust. Very important. Also here, but also abroad. Open mind. And very important is try to analyze your business risks, your target market, who are your competitors. And most of the time, the most important thing, do your homework. For instance, intellectual property. Is it well protected or do you have to start from scratch? Before you go to China, just be sure that you have your whole protection in your pocket of your intellectual property. And last but not least, very important, when you do business, try to find all the time an exit for your business plan. Thank you.